what a wonderful morning. Let's see what the day brings.
Oh, isn't that just lovely? Look at those bluebirds. Oh, this is a fine day. Wait, what is that?
Heavens!
No, not that. Help. Oh, wow. Well, isn't this just peaceful? Oh, dang it, I'm late. Coming. Just a second. Gotta run.
Mimi was not scared or afraid.
Where have all my cows gone?
But teamwork always wins the fun.
Where are you? Are you all right? Where is everybody? Well, now, that's not good. But I reckon I can fix it.
Now what have we got here? Looks like someone's been walking around. Definitely not mine. They're a bit too big. Huh? What was that?
Is someone over there? Mimi, where are you? Don't worry, I'm here. It's okay, one. We'll go home now.
Barnaby, I'm scared.
It's all right, little one. Barnaby's here. There, little Mimi. It's all right, you're safe with me.
Trotter now. Mimi cried out loud. Oh, wow.
I saw it in there.
All right then, little one. Let's go. I promise, Mimi, I'll make sure you're safe.
We will catch that thief at last. Save the farm, save the
All right, Mabel. Come on, pick up. Huh?
Clap your hands and shout hooray. The animals are safe today.
Officer Chase, speaking.
Bella moved and Trotter neighed.
What's the situation?
Mimi was not
All right,
scared
I've got
or
that
afraid.
down. Can you repeat the address?
It's
123 Maple Street.
123 Maple. Copy that. We're on our way.
Save the day. Brave friends lead the way. Clap your hands and shout hooray. The animals
Time to get to work.
All right, time to roll. Engine engaged, sirens on. Let's do this. I've got a visual on the suspect vehicle, approaching the intersection. Copy that, Officer Chase. Maintain pursuit. Barnaby, I've got the package you were waiting for.
Well, howdy, Officer Chase. You sure arrived in a hurry. All right, Mimi, we made it.
Glad you're safe, Barnaby. Mimi is okay.
Oh, thank goodness, officer. Officer Chase here. Good day, Barnaby. Well, hello there, officer. Look, officer, over here. These footprints, they weren't here this morning. Right, Barnaby. Don't worry, I see them. I'll take a closer look.
Interesting. Let's get a closer look at this one. Aha! Just as I suspected.
Mimi was not scared or afraid.
Ha!
Teamwork always wins the
I
fun.
got it! But they're not gonna get me! All right, Bella, quietly. Don't make a sound. Come on, you stubborn beast! Don't make me do this all night! Nay.
I'm on it, Barnaby. Oh, God, Daddy. I knew I could count on you, Chase. All right, Barnaby and Mimi, in we go.
Thank you kindly, Officer Chase.
No problem. Let's get you two home. All right, Mimi, all set. Time to see what's going on in here.
On the farm one sunny day, Barnaby woke up to say,
Quicker, we have to go faster. Look there, stop the car. Barnaby, what is it? What do you see? Hold on.
Footprints leading to the trees, through the forest in the breeze. Officer Chase arrives so fast.
we will catch that thief at last. Save
Come on.
save the day.
Moo, too tired.
The way.
Trotter, come on, we gotta go.
Nope, not today, Slider.
Ugh, you stubborn nag.
Whee!
Whoa, I loose. Move.
Quiet. Not another sound. All right, rough ride, but we've got this. Woohoo! Hang on. Just a little further. We made it.
Clap your hands and shout hooray, the animals are safe today.
What's wrong, Mimi? She's trying to tell us something. Look there. I see it. Hang on.
Hold on. Did you hear that? Affirmative. I'm checking the logs.
Keep it quiet, kids.
Mimi.
Shh.
There, over there. On it.
Hold on. Hold on. Do you hear that sweet melody in the distance?
No, not here, not now. Ew, gross. Hey, Slider, what you got there?
With that.
Whoops, looks like you dropped something.
I knew I'd find you, Slider. Uh-oh. Give it up. Not a chance. Bella, Trotter, you're here. Move. Nate.
Freeze! Uh-oh! Gotcha! No, wait!
Stop right there, Slider. You're not getting away this time. Oh, Officer Chase.
What a pleasant surprise!
Stop right there, Slider. You'll never catch me, Chase. Not this time. Uh-oh. Bella. Oh, Bella. I've missed you so much.
Trotter, it's you. Mimi, hello, little friend.
On the farm one sunny day, Barnaby woke up to say, "Where are Bella and Trotter now?" Mimi cried out loud, "Oh
Yeah, almost there.
Officer Chase arrived so fast.
wow!" We will
Mine.
catch that thief at
last. Save the farm, save the day.
Oh no, not you again! Bleat! Bleat, bleat!
The animals are safe today.
Whoa. Oof.
Bella
Bah.
moved and Trotter neighed.
Bah.
Mimi was not
Bang.
scared or afraid. The sneaky thief tried to
Whoa.
run, but teamwork always
Bah.
wins the
What?
Save the farm, save the day.
No, not again! Come on!
Stop right there. No, not again.
It's over, Slider. You got lucky, Chase. All right, Slider, game over. You got me, Officer Chase.
On the farm one sunny day.
All right, team. This way to Chase.
Move!
There he is with Slider.
Barnaby, you found us.
Achoo! Whoa! What was that? What was that? I told you to drop the bag, Slider. It's over.
Oh, Officer Chase, you really think so?
All right, Slider, no more shenanigans. Come on, Chase, can't we just talk about this? Get in the car.
All right, Bella, let's see here. Don't worry, I'll make sure you're okay.
I'm gonna jump! Bring it on, Mimi! We did it, Trotter. Come along now!
Keep up there, friends. Just a little further to the meadow.
Keep your eyes peeled up ahead. Whoa, I'm watching, officer. Watching everything.
Come on in, critters, you're home. That's right, Daisy.
Oink, oink.
Everyone accounted for. Good. Come on in, Bella and Trotter. Welcome back home.
Nay.
On the farm one sunny day, Barnaby woke up to say, "Where are Bella and Trotter now?" Mimi cried out loud, "Oh wow!"
Goodbye, everyone. I'll see you later.
Footprints leading to the trees, through the forest in the breeze.
Thank you, officer.
Chase arrives
You're
so
welcome,
fast.
Barnaby.
We will catch that thief at last.
Safe travels.
Save the day. Brave friends lead the
Well,
way.
hello there, little Mimi.
Parade the animals
Aren't you
are
sweet?
safe today.
Isn't that just the most beautiful sunset, Mimi?
Bella moved and